Omicron Delta Kappa is the National Leadership Honor Society, which recognizes student scholars and leaders under the pillars of academics and research, athletics, service, communications, and creative and performing arts. The Circle of Omicron Delta Kappa at the University of Houston was founded in 1960. Since then, the Circle has inducted over 3,000 students, faculty, and staff. As a member of Omicron Delta Kappa, you'll be able to connect with student leaders at UH, as well as gain an international network of ODK alumni. Omicron Delta Kappa members also have access to scholarship and internship opportunities, as well as travel and professional services discounts. Lastly, you will be recognized at your graduation with an ODK pin. The ODK Circle at UH hosts networking social events and service events each semester. In joining ODK, you can also attend national and regional ODK conferences, which offers valuable leadership development workshops and networking opportunities. For more information, please visit www.odk.org or email odk@uh.edu.